Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use the blur tool effectively in Adobe Photoshop. So I know that a ton of people have trouble using the blur tool and they have a bit of questions surrounding it. So I decided to make this tutorial to make sure that you guys are using the blur tools in your projects even better. Because what this is going to do, it's going to bring your projects to the next level. And I mainly use this with text where it just allows it to really pop out. So you guys can see me doing that with my thumbnails. But let's go ahead and get into this. So just go ahead, open up a new Photoshop project. And all we're going to want to do is place embedded. And we're going to want to bring in our background image. So let me just go ahead and choose this image. So as you can see, we have our image now, and all we have to do is come down to the blur tool. And so what the settings that you guys are going to want to do, I have my strength on 50, and then my size is 275 pixels. I do this because I'm basically just going to blur the whole thing. And then I have my hardness on 0 so that we can't see those hard lines showing where we didn't use the blur tool. So the next thing that you want to do, just click on the picture and it's going to say the smart object must be rasterized before. Just click OK and that rasterizes the layer for you. And so now all you have to do is really just paint it. It's as simple as that. You're just coloring. And if you want one area to be more blurred, you're just going to rub it a bit more and apply it just a bit more onto it. But that basically wraps it up, guys. If you want to know how to apply gradient text in Adobe Photoshop, be sure to hit the info card on the top right hand corner of your screen right now. But with that, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.